The way you can use that Mendeley Web Importer is, for instance, you have um you have this page open on Google Scholar. When you click on this Mendeley Web Importer, it's going to cite all the materials that are on that page. It's going to cite every one of them for you. For maybe let's say something like Mendeley, this particular Mendeley website, it's like you can always get materials like project materials there. When you click on Mendeley Web Importer, it's also going to show all the materials that's that maybe I searched for something Ajagbe, I'm looking for a project, and then I want to say, okay, oh, it's going to all this material. Apart from the fact that you can just say add to library, it's going to add it to your library straight. You can also use this Mendeley Web Importer. Or for instance, you are on a website. Let's say I'm on this website. It's currently loading, and I want to cite this website in my let's say in my publication. When I click on this Mendeley Web Importer, it's going to allow me. So you see Mendel word leaders on this on plastic pollution. I can just click on it and then click on add reference. It's going to add it to your library straight up. So when you just go to your Mendeley library, Mendeley reference manager, although you can also view the library on the web portal also. So there's a web portal and there's a desktop app. So but the desktop app is more preferable. Mine is loading. This is the website that I just added. This is the website. So when I click on my recently added, you see what leader said sites on plastic pollution. It's going to show me that particular references. So I might just need to just make some minor editing, some little editing, add author, add publication details, and the likes. I think and with that and many more, when we dive deep into referencing Mendeley and the likes, I'm going to show you more. And see you on the next one.